Hey guys, quick video on freshening your headlights up. Mine, there's the clean one I just cleaned. Here's the other one. It's kind of smoky on the top and it's rough. So it took me about, I don't know, 10-15 minutes to do this. So what I did was wet sanded it with 2000 grit. That was the finest I could find. And wet sanded the top ring here, and then I used the I used the 49 first after I wet sanded it, then went with the 45, and this is the end result, and it turned out perfect. It's hard to see with the shadow, but it's nice and smooth now, and that cloudiness is gone. So here's a 15-minute job to refresh your headlights, and easy to do. You could probably use any wax, but that's just what I did. And I'll get at this one in a second, and I'll show you what it looks like after. Here it is. Okay, I thought I'd just film what I'm doing just so you can see, instead of just showing you the after product. So I just get it wet and just go at it with the wet sandpaper, continually dipping it, keeping it clean, getting rid of the oxidization and the plastic, I guess. And this is really all that's to it. Keep wetting your surface, cleaning it. You can kind of tell when it's not so white. I could tape that, I guess, but I'm just trying to be careful. This is on a 2012 Volvo XC60, and yeah, you can see just kind of a straight circular motion. Straight circular, I guess that's not really politically correct. It's kind of a circular motion I'm going. Just careful around the end. So it's really white and cloudy. It's sort of time to rinse. Get rid of that stuff. And, yeah, it feels smooth already. So it's getting close. You can kind of see the color change. Sort of changes clarity already. It's a little clearer. And actually the soap and water I'm using here is just car wash soap. I washed the car and thought, oh, maybe it's a good time to just do the headlights. So I don't know if you can see that already. It's pretty much clear and it's smooth. It's got rid of that kind of bubbly feeling. So I think I'm pretty much there. It's not as white, not taking as much material off, I guess. Plastic. Okay. Yeah, you can just sort of see a line, light line where it was. It's sort of, you know, the top part, but the sun's beating down on you, that is causing it to discolor and deteriorate. The UVs, I guess. Okay, I think that's it. Just kind of dry it off. You can see it's still, there's a cloudiness now, so it's not as bad and it's smooth. So then what I did is use the number 49 oxidization cleaner. So I'll just get that on there and just try and clean it well. I think I went a little longer on the other one. Yeah, I could have done that a little better. But for illustration purposes, I'm just doing it really quick to show you an improvement on doing it super quick. And if you had a power polisher, it'd even go quicker and probably do a better job as well. But without having that small polisher, I just got a big one. You can do it by hand and make a huge improvement. So hopefully you can see that difference. It looks really clear. A little bit right here. I probably need to sand a little bit more. I can feel it's a little dimply. Yeah, a little bit here, a little bit there, a little bit right here. So yeah, I'll just do that, but just wanted to show you how that works. Polish that up. Yeah, and I think it looks pretty good. I don't know how well you can see that in this video. There, hopefully the light is, I don't know. Anyway, it looks 100 times better. And yeah, easy. Some wet sandpaper and some wax, and that's it. Thanks for watching.